I'm back and I have this yummy Starbucks pumpkin cream cheese muffin recipe for you. We have here 4-ounce cream cheese at room temperature, which is half of the bar. I am just, you know, mashing it down a little bit, making it a little more soft. And in that cup, I have a 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of flour. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of milk. Oh, and let's not forget my Mexican vanilla extract. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of that. We're just going to mix that together until it's nice and creamy. I should have made more. I wasn't calculating right. I was going by the recipe, and this is what I mean by creamy. I'm going to add that into a piping bag and put to the side. In that bowl, I'm going to have half a cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And that's what I have in that bag right there because I prepped. There you go, the chair, I'm sorry. Mix until well blended. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe. I'm just scraping the sides, as you can see. We're going to get added one more time with the mixture, just to incorporate the ones that were on the bowls rather. Here we have 1 teaspoon. We're going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and you will need a 15-ounce pumpkin puree. Now we're going to mix this together. Whisk it, rather. And it smells really good. And what better than for the beginning of the fall than pumpkin cream cheese muffin? You can't go wrong with that. So in there, we're going to add our wet ingredients, which is in that bag. I have 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2.5 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. And we're going to fold this in. A full description of this recipe is going to be on my website, which I am going to link it to on my description box. And look how nice that looks. And it smells delicious already. So now, and let's not forget, make sure your oven is at 350 preheated, and we're going to do this from 20 to 30 minutes. Rather, bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. We're just going to fill it up 2/3 full, a scoop. Okay, I always want this. This is a voiceover. I must have did this about 3 times because I am sick. And no, I was not making muffins when I was sick. This been on my draft for about 4 or 5 days already, just in case. So now we are going to add our cream cheese filling. And again, and yes, I do wear a bonnet. Let me make that clear. I have long hair. We are dabbling the cream cheese filling. I should have made more, enough to cover the whole muffin. But I was following the instructions. And again, we are baking this at 350 from 20 to 30 minutes. And there you have it. Now it's time to clean up because I have such a small kitchen. Anything out of place makes it look messy. And plus, when we bake, the mess, the flour, the sugar, and I like to clean my counters all the way through. And look at the mess. And yes, I was canning the night before. Look at the mess it makes. I have to move everything, shift everything to another place to make space on the counters. And here you have it. Nice and clean. And now look at this deliciousness. Again, if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Until our next cooking video. Thank you for watching.